So, welcome back. Video contest for George Gym 1K. We have over here an Holex. Come on, put it on screen. Holex and a serial number. Don't ask me to read. I don't know how to read. No, it's not true. 08589 050. Don't know what I mean. We can see also the pin. The pin. Also, they are not such a stiff cut, actually. They're not such stiff as a cut. Pry. Come on, let's go in. Very nice. Nice click, nice clack. On a vice. Okay, tight. We're gonna use the bottom of the keyway tensioner. And we're gonna use a raker from Moki. I don't know if you can see. There we go. Moki Workshop. Other side maybe, so people can read. From Mock Workshop. Let's try. Let's give this fella a raker. Let's see. Okay. Come on, get out. Quickly, actually. With raking is all our luck. Or you're gonna try half day, or you're gonna try in a couple of minutes. It's gonna be everything is done, like usually. Come on, patient. Wait, I don't have. Oh, there we go. We have an open. LOL. There we go. I mean, I just did not do rocket science. I was just push the pin up and raking with this guy. Nothing less, nothing more. If someone have some info about this company, please write in a comment. If I think so, there's not gonna be nobody who wanna watch this video, but I don't know. Goodbye. Have fun. To all the guys who wanna participate to the giveaway. It was funny. See you next time.